When most people hear the word protein, they probably think about bodybuilders, gym workouts, or giant tubs of protein powder. But protein isn't just for athletes. In fact, protein is one of the most important nutrients your body needs every single day. From your muscles and skin to your hair, organs, and immune system, protein plays a role in keeping your body functioning properly. And if you're trying to lose weight, stay full, or maintain your strength as you get older, protein may matter more than you think. So, let's look at why protein is such an important part of a healthy diet. First, protein helps support your muscles. Your body is constantly repairing and maintaining muscle tissue. Protein provides the amino acids your body needs for this process. That's why getting enough protein is especially important if you're exercising regularly or doing strength training. But even if you don't spend hours at the gym, your muscles still need protein to stay healthy and strong. And as we get older, maintaining muscle becomes even more important. Second, protein can help you feel fuller for longer. Have you ever eaten a meal and felt hungry again just a short time later? One reason could be that your meal didn't contain enough protein. Protein is generally more filling than many other foods, which may help you manage hunger throughout the day. For example, instead of having a breakfast that is mostly refined carbohydrates and added sugar, you could try adding eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or another protein-rich food. A more satisfying meal may make it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking later. Third, protein can be helpful when you're trying to lose weight. When people lose weight, they don't always lose only body fat. Some of the weight lost can also come from muscle. Eating enough protein, combined with regular physical activity and strength training, can help support the maintenance of lean muscle while you're working toward your weight loss goals. But remember, protein itself isn't a magic weight loss solution. Your overall calorie intake and diet quality still matter. Fourth, protein supports many essential functions in your body. Protein isn't just about muscles. Your body uses proteins to build and repair tissues and to make important substances, including enzymes and hormones. Protein also contributes to the normal function of your immune system. In other words, protein is involved in much more than building bigger muscles. So, where can you get protein? The good news is that you don't necessarily need expensive supplements. There are plenty of protein-rich foods you can include in your diet. Eggs, chicken, turkey, fish, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, milk, beans, lentils, chickpeas, tofu, nuts, and seeds can all contribute protein to your daily meals. You can also combine different foods throughout the day to create balanced meals. For example, you could start your morning with eggs and whole grain toast. For lunch, you might have a chicken or bean salad. And for dinner, you could choose fish, tofu, or lentils alongside vegetables and whole grains. The goal isn't to obsess over protein. It's to make sure your meals contain a good balance of protein, fiber-rich carbohydrates, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. One more important point: more protein isn't always better for everyone. Your individual protein needs can depend on factors such as your age, body size, activity level, and overall health. If you have kidney disease or another medical condition, talk to your healthcare professional before significantly increasing your protein intake. So, the next time you think about healthy eating, don't focus only on calories or carbohydrates. Remember protein. It supports your muscles, helps keep you satisfied, and plays countless roles throughout your body. And sometimes, a small change, like adding a quality source of protein to your meals, can make your overall diet much more satisfying and balanced. So, how much protein do you think you eat in a typical day?